Okay, so this is an n8n. This is the most simplest like automation system there is now built. It can be quite complex, and believe me, there are a lot more complex than this. What have I gone to now? Anyways, okay, so basically this workflow, what it does is it receives a WhatsApp message here. It's for a rental management system. So you receive a message here, for example, hey, which tenant is owing on this month, then it's going to go to a switch, going to check whether the phone number is my phone number or not. If it's not my phone number, it's just going to send a generic text message or WhatsApp telling him that, well, please refer to my number. Basically, since I'm the kind of the caretaker for my grandma's tenants. When it is from my number, it's going to now switch here. It's going to move to here, talk to your data. And this talk to your data is an AI agent, which does the parameters. One, yes, the model. For my case, I'm using Google Gemini chat model. If you have a credentials for OpenAI, you can put here or any AI, you just need credentials. And then it has a memory in order to store data. And last but not least, the data. This data sheet just contains the information on the tenants, that is their due dates, their phone numbers, rent that I pay, all of that. So let me open WhatsApp. Good. Okay, this is perfect. We should go close this. Can't close that. Anyways, so let me take one that I did before. Oh, and you can either put this live or just tap on execute. You know what? No, let me not put it live. Let me just tap execute workflow. So when you tap execute workflow, it's just going to be waiting for a trigger to occur from WhatsApp or wherever. So you tap live, when you tap publish, it's going to be available. Okay, enough talk. Let's show what it can do. So this is a prompt I sent before. By the way, this is one of my numbers, contact number. I actually have linked to WhatsApp Business API. So I'm just going to send in this prompt. Control paste. Hello there. Any news for the month or next month situation? So going to send. Then I wish I could just shift this so you can see. It's executing. Yes, it's executing. So you see how it's saying issuing the goods. It's loading good. It's a message goods. Let's come here. Bam. That's the message here. Back on WhatsApp. In case an AI chatbot that sent it. So let's see. Um based on the data here, the data that is from this Excel sheet, based on the data here. That's screen. Data here, rain related dates. For August, July, blah blah blah. So Raisa, that's a room number, that's the due date. That's the other tenant, that's the room number, that's the due date, and see the suite. Please note that Raisa is due past date. Yeah. This is an old sheet by the way because I will delete that. And we're already getting to August. But yeah, that's just as simple as it get. By the way, asking whether it uses, not necessarily whether it uses JavaScript. As you can see, it's a drag and drop interface with so many other tools, but you can also code. Let me see, yeah, code. So you can run an entire JavaScript, or I'm not using an entire JavaScript or Python script. So yeah, select any one. So you can see in here, you can write an entire palatable, whatever. And if you need tables or you have to store data, you can create tables here. Stay on the n8n. By the way, this n8n is running on my server, my local server. Okay, and it's available live because I have connected it through Tailscale to in order to make it to be accessible to the internet. It's available live on my server. That's the server over there. That's my baby. So it's connected there live, and the server is connected to our router through Ethernet cable, so it's super fast there. So this here, I don't know why I show this. I did that when I was testing from another person because another person worked with this failure rate. I have 100% normally. Anyway, so basically, this is just a small quick peek of what it can do. There's a lot more it can do. A lot more. Now I'm going to sleep. I was doing something else. Basically, I was what else? Trying to run a virtual machine on a server. I was supposed to do that. But tomorrow I'll need to complete this rental management system because I want the chatbot to be able to just manage the system there for me, send out alerts on whenever it's like 1 month to date or 1 week to date, and also I want to make it available so that Or just write it out at the front gate. Whenever someone wants to get information about the rooms out there, whether they're available or not, he will just text the number and be like, hey, is any room available? He's going to check the Excel sheet. If it's a vacancy, just going to say yes, it's no vacancy. It's going to tell him no, it's going to tell him when it will be available. So basically, I'm trying to cut off this whole agent their work. Yeah. Good night.